Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the C# Dapper tutorial, and this is the introduction to the Dapper. So Dapper is nothing but Dapper is the object relational mapping. It's a simple ORM developed by a Stack Overflow team, and this is a very simple object relational mapping in .NET C#. Okay, and it will support MS SQL Server and SQLite and MySQL and some other databases like so we will see it. So this is the project in which I'm going to write some code to explain about the Dapper C# in the future videos. So in this playlist, so you will see a sequence of videos one by one. So in future, so I will post each day one tutorial of Dapper, how to use Dapper, and so you can, I'm 100% sure you will definitely work on Dapper after watching my all tutorial videos. And let's get into this. And this is the simple project I'm going to, as I said, I'm going to in which I'm going to create some code, right? So, and I have one form here. So I have one form here. Data inside the form, we have a data create view on button. So whenever I click on the run button, so you can see we will run some query using Dapper. So before that, I just want to show you how to include the Dapper library into your project. So for that, right click on that project. So you can see there is an option of manage NuGet packages. Click on it. So go and type Dapper. Simply type Dapper. So this one we are going to include in our project, right? So you can see there is some descriptions. You can high performance micro ORM supporting SQL Server, MySQL, SQLite, SQLC, Firebird, etc. I hope it will support also PostgreSQL. I think so. And it's a open source, so you can use this library into your project. So it's a free, and you can read the license before use it, and but it's a free of use. And the one thing you have to put in your mind before using the Dapper into your project, it will support more than or equal to 4.6.1 .NET framework, and more than or equal to version 5.0 .NET 5.0, and more than or equal to .NET Standard 2.0. So our demo project is, so as you can see, our demo project is 4. I just created this project with .NET Framework 4.6.1 Target Framework. So it will support in my project, and I'm going to install the Dapper now. So the Dapper is installed without any error. So you can see it's a finished, right, without any error. So after installing the Dapper into your project, and you can you have to create a connection string wherever you want to use the Dapper logic. So this is the form, this is my form 1 class, so I just renamed it. This is a form class, and inside the form class, I just created global connection variable here. This is the connection string of my database. So I just I'm going to use this database for the demonstration purpose. Sorry. So, and these are all the tables I'm going to use in further tutorials. And yeah, that's it, guys. As I said earlier, I'm 100% sure you will work on the Dapper after watching all the tutorials one by one. I'll post all one by one videos on each day from today onwards. Thank you, and from the next video you will see the tutorials one by one. Thank you, guys. Thank you.